resins and papers, pigments so sleek, custom crafted with hands that never.
This is Beverly. I wanted to come to you quickly. I got some happy mail, and it's from Miss Jeannie, if I'm correct, because it came with no gift receipt. And she had asked me about my Amazon wish list, and this was on my Amazon wish list. And this is the high performance heat gun, and it says rapid heating, overheat protection, variable temperatures, and adjustable wind speed. And I did go ahead and cut the tape so that I could get into it, but I haven't looked at it yet. So I wanted to open it with you guys. And here it is in the box. And okay, these are the attachment heads, and bear with me. Oh, it's a little heavy. All right, hold on guys, let me get this out and I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, I got it out of the box and out of the packaging. And this is our heat gun. It has the switch here that you can change the settings on. And then here is the switch where you control the wind, and it goes from 1 to max. So I'm assuming max is number 9. And then over here, it tells you the specifications of 120 volts, 60 hertz, and 1500 watts. And this is the front end of it, which is pretty cool. Looks like a wind tunnel in there. And then these are the attachment heads, and you have one like this. You can just slip on, and this head moves too, so that's pretty cool. I'll definitely have to read the instructions. It is corded. It's not cordless, so you do have to plug it in. But that is pretty cool. I greatly appreciate Miss Jeannie for this. If it wasn't Miss Jeannie, please be sure to reach out to me. You can reach out to me by email. And my email is in the description, and let me know who it was so that I can thank you for it. And if you don't want to be known, that's okay too. But I greatly appreciate it. Definitely wanted this heat gun so that I could do waves and more ocean scenes and things like that, and get some of those pesky bubbles out of my resin. Okay, guys, just to give you a little update on me, on Friday, my hip gave out on me, so my right hip, and it's causing me a lot of pain, and I'm fighting my doctor, my new primary, who doesn't want to refill my pain meds. So he's trying to refer me to pain management, but pain management there that he's referring me to is interventional, so they do not prescribe pain meds either. So I barely can walk, and the doctor, I guess, doesn't care about any of that. So I am doing what I can right now, and sleeping a lot and just resting so that I can be in the least amount of pain as possible. So that goes to say I can't do any videos because stretching of my arms does cause my side to hurt like really bad. So I can't do any videos at this point, but I hope that something comes through for me soon and that I can get some relief. So I greatly appreciate all your prayers and concerns, and hopefully I will see you guys soon. I miss you guys, and I miss crafting. So all right, you guys, until the next one, I will see you soon. Hugs and love. This is my half heart because my other hand is holding the phone.
Watch as the colors start to sing.
So hugs
Custom
and love.
created, it's one
And
of
I will
a
see
kind
you guys
masterpieces
soon.
born in a creative mind.
Bye-bye.
Every detail, every stroke puts magic in the crafts we invoke. Handmade dream in every gleam. Custom crafts that beam and stream. From the mind to the hands, fantasy craft